Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Namaste SAP. Today in this tutorial, I would guide you through Fiori Content Manager. So today we are going to explore a tool that every consultant, basically Fiori consultant, ABAP developer or maybe a functional expert, they should know that what is a Fiori Launchpad Content Manager is. In this tutorial, we will walk you through what is a content manager is, how to create your own catalog and group, and how to assign tiles to roles the smartest way. So to begin with, the SAP Fiori Launchpad Content Manager is a SAP GUI and Fiori based tool introduced to simplify the way we manage Fiori application. It contains such as catalog, group, tiles, target mapping, especially in SAP S4 HANA 1909 and newer version only support Fiori Content Manager. Unlike the older SAP Fiori Launchpad Designer, which I have showed you in my previous video, which requires switching between multiple screen and tabs, the Content Manager gives you a consolidated, user-friendly interface that helps you handle all your Fiori content visually and more efficiently. To access Fiori Launchpad Content Manager, you need the access of tcode /ui2/flpcm_cust, and you can also access the same in your Fiori Launchpad as well. There is a role that you need to assign it in your PFCG, and thereafter you can assign. The advantage of using a Fiori Launchpad, Fiori Content Manager over a Launchpad Designer is that it is very much faster and more visual. No risk of modifying SAP standard content accidentally. It is role based configured, easy to work with custom technical catalogs, great for both developers and functional consultant. So let's start. So let us log into the system. Now there are two ways, friends. One is by using the tcode /ui2/flpcm_cust. Entering this tcode, you can get into Content Manager. It does take some time, maybe 15 seconds. Parallelly, I am showing you this. So in my earlier video, if you have seen my video, I have done catalog. I have created custom catalog and tile and have assigned the below to application into it. And this is how I have did the application configuration. But I have used Fiori Launchpad Designer. From there I have used. But in this video, as I have mentioned, that I would be using Content Manager. So again, I would be creating two new catalogs. Suppose Z custom app via CM_CM. CM stands for Content Manager, suppose. So I would be creating again a custom catalog and a custom group, this time with the help of Content Manager, not Fiori Designer. And again, we would be doing the app configuration of these two applications only. We can do that. And thereafter, I would be showing you a couple of features with the help of role, catalog ID. I can show you what all applications are there assigned to this, and what are the roles are already been tagged to this particular application. It gives us a wide range of feature. Let us check if it is. Yeah, it is open now. So this is actually a content manager. So let me create the catalog from here first. First click on create, and like the same way we have to give a catalog ID. I'm just copying this ID from here and will paste it, making CMS capital catalog, or payment CM, suppose Content Manager. This is the catalog name I'm giving. Click on OK. We can select a TR from this. Okay, maybe I'm selecting this TR only. Fine. Save it. Yes. So my catalog gets created. Okay, and let me show you the remaining part. I can complete the remaining part from here as well, like assigning of the tile to this catalog and creating a group as well. But then I will not be able to show you how can we do the same thing from Fiori Launchpad as well. In Fiori Launchpad, we also have a tile of content manager. From there also we can access the same thing. Actually, it from Fiori Launchpad content manager, it calls the backend system content manager. I mean this application via T code call. So it is the same thing only. But I wanted to show you how can we do this. How can we access content manager from Fiori Launchpad also. So for that, we have to go to first decode /o/pfcg. We have to assign a role actually. If as of now, as you can see, this is my Fiori Launchpad. Yes, this is my Fiori Launchpad, and there is no Launchpad related tiles assigned to it. So we need to assign a role called SAP_FLP_admin. This is a standard role. You have to go to user and have to assign your own user ID. So let me assign my user ID to it so that in Launchpad I can quickly see my tile. I assign the user ID, I clicked on user comparison, click on yes, click on cross, fine. Now you go to your Fiori Launchpad, refresh the page and you will see Fiori Launchpad. Yes, now you can see Fiori Launchpad group and following tiles came up automatically. So from here, as you can see, this Fiori Launchpad content manager is one of them. So Fiori Launchpad content manager client specific. So click on this. This is a tile. It is actually calling my backend system content manager. See, as you can see, SAP GUI for HTML. So there's a T code. We can call the backend, any kind of a report, any report, WebDynPro via T code also. WebDynPro architecture is different, sorry, but we can call any kind of a report on this content manager via T code. So this is the content manager screen again. So we can search for the catalog which we have created, that is ZTC_custom_CM. Click on go. See, this is a custom catalog which we have created just now. Now in this custom catalog, we are going to add the we will be going to the we will go to our catalog. Let me open up the Excel sheet. It is not allowing me actually. Yeah, okay, let me make this in front. Yes, okay. So earlier we have taken reference of this standard catalog. So again we will be taking the same. We will be referencing this catalog again. Search this catalog, and in this catalog there are a lot amount of tiles which are present, and we would be selecting that tile only which we did earlier. The name of the tile was what was it? Let me select what is the target mapping semantic object. That semantic object is schedule payment proposal. We will be again search for the same tile so that we can do the configuration. Let me paste it over here. Nope. Okay, I can get it from here, I think. Search term, okay. Yes, one hit, fine. I got it. So this is automatic payment, schedule payment proposal. So this is that application automatic payment. So just select this line, okay. And what you need to do is add tiles and target mapping. Add selected tiles and target mapping to other catalog. Yes. And here you need to give your catalog name, the custom catalog name that we created. It's ZTC_custom_CM. This is our custom catalog. So we want the standard catalog content to be present in our custom catalog. Earlier in Fiori Launchpad Designer, we have used the option called copy reference, create reference. Okay. So here this is the way to do the things. So add tile and target mapping references. So I click on this button. Yes. So one tile and one target mapping were added to the custom catalog, as you can see. Now you can again paste your custom catalog name over here, and you can see one tile and target mapping is there. So tile plus TM. TM stands for target mapping, guys. And there's a semantic object action. What is a title name? Manage automatic payment. This is a UI5 application. Application Fiori app ID is also showing. Then reference. It has been referenced tile. The tile which I have added in my custom catalog. It is a reference of a standard one. This information is also there. What is the navigation intent? Like what is the business entity and what is the intent? So business entity is automatic payment followed by semantic payment proposal. Then what was the original SAP catalog ID? That information is also present. So this application is for desktop, tablet. That information is also there. So couple of information at one go we can see it from content manager. Actually, I have also not used content manager prior. This is for the first time, but obviously it's give a large number of visibility. Very good visibility is there at once. Now we have already created the catalog. Now we can create the group. So from the content manager as well, we can directly go to the designer, Fiori Launchpad Designer. Just you have to click on Open Designer, and thereafter, as I have showed you, you have to change this CONF to CUST on the designer URL. It was earlier CONF, which means one is customizing, another is cross client. So we will not be doing the configuration for cross client. But in case of a cross client, whatever changes that you are doing for a catalog or a group, it would get reflected across all the clients, whether it's a 300, 400, 500, 800, all the clients. But whatever changes that I am doing presently based upon my business need, I would be doing it for the current client, specific client. So choose accordingly, guys. Generally, SAP standards codes are delivered across cross client. Okay, but we would be doing it for customizing. So I have made a slight change in the URL, made it CUST, and thereafter I have selected the tier from here. Okay, now we wanted to create a group. So go to group, click on the add button. Suppose payment CM is a group name. ID is ZTG underscore payment underscore CM. Click on save. Now what you can do is you can add the catalog in this group. So our catalog which we created in the Fiori content manager, let us search that ZTC underscore payment, okay, underscore custom underscore CM. Yes, we found that. This is done, guys. Now again, if we go to content manager page, we can see this group as well. Okay, now coming back to content manager, we have already created a catalog and a group. Okay, and in that catalog there was a tile already been added. Okay, that tile is referencing a target mapping, and that target mapping is calling a UI5 application, and from that UI is again it is calling a OData services. Okay, now we will be adding the catalog and group in role. We'll go to the T-code /o/pfcg, and pfcg, let us create another payment ZCR payment app 1. Click on single role payment app. Suppose go to menu, save the role, click over here the extreme right node of the transaction, click on Launchpad, click on catalog, enter the catalog name ZTC underscore custom underscore CM, click on continue, execute this, go back, execute this, go back, and again click on the extreme right side, click on Launchpad group, so the group name is ZTG underscore payment underscore cm. Okay, so we have added this. We have to add the user id as well. We have added catalog group and user id to this role, zcr payment app 1. So it is done, guys. Now we can see, this uh, tile in Fiori Launchpad. So if we open Fiori Launchpad, if you keep on refresh, we can see another payment app group will be there. See, payment app, another is payment cm, since it is added. Now we can go and explore content manager. What all extra feasibility or functionality is there? Let's go to Fiori Launchpad, and from there we can launch content manager application. Now we can search for the catalog details that we have created, which I have showed you earlier. So catalog information is there, and from here you can get, since we have referenced it from a standard technical catalog provided by SAP, so their original target mapping, all information is there. We can search this SAP TC FIN over here as well. SAP underscore TC underscore FIN. Yes, from that catalog as well, it will show all the list of target mapping. So likewise, all the application list will get populated over here, and we can also check from catalog. Like this is the catalog that we have created. It is referenced in which role. So you have to click on show users in roles, and it will show you the role details in which role it is added. Okay, so you can also click on role view as well. You can search for roles as well. Just this is the role name, right? And from this role name you can open this role in pfcg. It will navigate you to the pfcg window. You go back. Okay, and again from here you can add or remove catalog. You have option to add or remove catalog. Show check services. So I can show services. Yes, so it will list out the services, all the services that is assigned to this, to this catalog. What all services are there? So it lists down all the services. OData V2 services are there, and if ICF nodes are also there. Wow, that's amazing. It's so beautiful. Like all the OData services plus the UIBSPs, everything you can get access from here, from the role details. All you have to do, you have to carefully look at the buttons and get into it. It will give you a clear picture. And from here you would also get to see the group details as well, in which group this is added. You can see that information as well. Toggle full screen. Okay, this is, let me go to this. This is the option show groups. Click on show groups. It will give you the group name, zcr underscore payment app 1. This is the role name, and the group is ztg underscore payment underscore cm. So you can add another group, you can remove the group, you can open the same in designer. So it, all in all, content manager gives you a very clear picture. That's all for today's video. Thank you.